Hello traders, today I will show you how to identify the most powerful and profitable trading trends. As always, in this video you will see step by step what indicators I use and how to generate consistent profits. And friends, for those who are interested, the platform registration link will be in the video description. So the first indicator I use in this method is Bollinger Bands. Let's change the period to 19 and 2. As for the color, let's choose all greens and thicken lines and save. The second indicator is the relatively more famous stochastic oscillator. Let's reduce the period to 7, 3. I also leave the colors as they are. Top line to 82 and bottom line to 22. And save. The third thing I do is setting Heiken Ashi candles for 30 seconds instead of regular candles, and I set the time interval for opening the position to 1 minute. Finally, I choose currency pairs, and I want to tell you that to get the maximum benefits from this method, you should observe the movements of the Heiken Ashi candles along with the indicators, which I will try to explain in the video later. So as I already told you, for all those who are interested, the platform registration link will be in the video description. As you can see, I opened the position in the downward direction with a 1 minute time interval. First of all, what I observe is that at this particular moment, the candles have started to move from the extreme point of the green line above the Bollinger Bands, and at this moment, the middle green line of the Bollinger Band is crossing the red candles of the Heiken Ashi. And also, along with all this, the stochastic oscillator lines cross each other in a selling position, thus making the signal stronger. But this method has other moments where the best entry trends are, and I will try to show you all the moments in detail. And very good, great, I won. Traders, this is the best time to open a position in this method. That's why I started trading with $3,000. The currency pair is very stable. Here the stochastic oscillator lines have crossed each other and are already exceeding the selling position. Bollinger Bands lines show the same. First, a candle started moving from the extreme green line below the Bollinger Bands and crossing its own middle green line. And now you can see how the buying started massively and the big green Heiken Ashi candles were made. All these are indications that the method works quite well and gives us the right signals. That's why I was able to get a good position. It was wonderful win, really great. So what you see on the platform is a clear example of a trend reversal, but such moments are a bit risky and require more attention and professionalism. Specifically, attention is paid here to the fact that the Heiken Ashi candles have finished moving above the green line of the Bollinger Bands. The green candles have lost their power and the red candles have started. I also particularly watched the stochastic oscillator lines crossing each other and exiting the selling position. And as I expected, the red candles were made and the trend was lowered quite convincingly. I think this moment looks like the previous one, but the direction is different. And it's very cool, great that I won again and quite convincingly. But again, I continue to open the position on this currency pair and again in the downward direction, because the signal of the downward trend has become stronger and the specific direction where the red candles are moving is more evident. I think signals were strengthened as the fact that the middle green line of the Bollinger Bands crossed the red candle of Heiken Ashi, and it was highlighted. And at such a moment, the trend continues to move down again. Of course, there are risks, and this method is not 100% safe. And there are also moments when opening a position will not be successful. But the main thing is, as always, to end your session, like trading session, with a profit. And great to win 4 wins out of 4 trades, and the balance has grown significantly. I will stop trading here, and my advice would be don't overwork yourself with trading and just take frequent breaks. This will help you regain your energy, and I think and you will think with a cooler head, which is much needed in trading. I also want to tell you guys that I don't give an investment advice, and if someone writes you on my behalf about investing, just please don't trust them. I hope you understand what I'm telling you and take this into consideration. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I wish you a successful trading day and see you in the next video. Thank you.